So here we have the Vauxhall Crossland X on a 70 plate. I'm going to start off by showing you around the outside of the car, and then we'll hop in and run through some controls on the inside. From the outside though, you can see it's a 5-door car with alloy wheels. We're going to start off inside the boot area of it first of all. As we approach the back of the car, you can see we have reversing sensors, plenty of boot space as well, along with that 60/40 split folding rear seat should you wish to increase this space even further. Okay, so we're just going to work our way back around to the front of the car, and then we'll hop in and run through some controls on the inside. But now that we've done a full circle of it, you can see it's in excellent condition the whole way round. Just briefly before we climb in, I think it's well worth seeing the interior from this exterior point of view. There's plenty to run through on the dashboard, so let's hop in and we'll do that now. Okay, now that we're inside the car, we're going to start with the dials. Over on the left-hand side, first of all, we have the rev counter. We have the speedometer on the right-hand side. In the centre at the top, the fuel gauge and coolant temperature gauges, and beneath that, the main trip computer section, which includes the total miles of this car. They are 25,450. You can change information displayed there using controls on the indicator stalk for various different things, including, as you can see, a digital readout for your speedometer. Just above that, it will show you what gear this car is in. It's an automatic, so of course we're in park at the moment. If we back out to the steering wheel, we have cruise control on the left-hand side, stereo and phone controls on the right-hand side, and in the centre, the main touchscreen itself. So you can see there, full colour satellite navigation, really easy system to use. We've done a video showing how this system works, which you can find on our website and on our YouTube channel as well. Then down the bottom here, various other options, including, as you can see, audio. There's a number of ways you can listen to your music in this car. AM, FM and DAB radio, USB input, iPod input, Bluetooth audio. You can also use Android Auto or Apple CarPlay, depending, of course, on the phone that you have. You can pair your phone by hitting the phone button and following the instructions on screen from there. Below that, we have dual zone climate control. You can adjust the passenger and driver temperature. You can increase and decrease the fan speed. The air conditioning is on at the minute. That's off, back on, or you can hit auto. The car will then take full control of the fan speed, as you can see, to maintain the temperatures that you've asked for. You get a full display up on here that will give you full control of things like the direction of the air. You can override auto, which we've just set. You can adjust the passenger and driver temperature from there as well. We have a 12-volt charging socket, 2 USB inputs, the gear lever for the fully automatic gearbox, and then these buttons just here for your child locks, which you can turn on and off, your parking sensors, which you can turn on and off, your stop and start, again, which you can turn on and off. This car is designed to cut out when it's stationary in traffic to save you fuel. The system is off when that light shows. And then down the bottom here, we have the lane departure warning system, the tyre deflation warning system, and traction control as well. All that leaves me to say is thank you for taking the time to watch this video. If you'd like to come and see this ULEZ compliant car for yourself and have a test drive, please feel free to call either of our MJA sites. We'd love to hear from you soon.